Good morning, friends of the pop-up homestead. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. We're having a quiet morning here. Sean is still sleeping. We've had a long 2 days. Lovey's even tired. Lovey, aren't you tired? See how tired she is. Last night we went to go to bed, pretty tired, and we had a hole in our air mattress. So, nothing a little tape can't fix, and every 2 hours getting up to put air in the air mattress. That was fun. And then the night before, Hurricane Ida came through, and luckily we were above the 40 in Tennessee. So we were missed by it, but I guess what that means when you're missed by it, that just means that you get a really, really bad storm and high winds, and I don't know, I didn't feel very missed by it. My first experience with a real severe windstorm. So we were up all night that night. So we were really looking forward to going to bed last night and to find a hole in our air mattress. So my guess is we're going to go buy an actual bed today. And that's our update for the homestead. Sleepy, but fine. Not too much damage from the windstorm. The one-car garage got a little bent up. But give you a little morning sunshine peek through. That's God saying good morning to us all. Alrighty. That's just me checking in from the pop-up homestead. Take care, pop-up friends.